The Panasonic AG-DVX100A is a discontinued video camera released by Panasonic on October 13, 2002. It was one of the first consumer camcorders to record at 24 frames per second, the frame rate used in most films. The camera recorded video on MiniDV tapes and standard cassette tapes. It weighs 4.4 pounds, features two XLR audio inputs, FireWire/IEEE 1394, and a hand strap on the right side of the camera. The AG-DVX100 was first succeeded by the AG-DVX100A in January 2004, and then the AG-DVX100B in late 2005. The AG-DVX100 series uses a 3-CCD imaging system capable of recording video at 24 or 30 frames per second progressive scan, and 60 frames per second 50 in PAL interlaced. For 24 frames per second recording, it supports 24p and 24pa recording modes using telecine pull-down methods 2:3 and 2:3:3:2. The camera features a Cine-Like Gamma function to produce images with a tonal quality similar to that of film. All models use CCD sensors with 410,000 total pixels, approximately 380,000 effective.